Hey guys, and I'm like off to the center right now. I have this massive ColourPop haul that we're gonna do. So this is a haul video. I have to figure out how I'm going to film and show you guys all of these things without like ColourPop video, ColourPop video, ColourPop video every 8 seconds. So let me know. I could do like a fun rainbow series over the next like couple of months where getting organized over the next couple of months where I could like show you guys one palette at a time and do like specific themed colors, do like looks and everything. That's so much stuff. Honestly, I bought this stuff when I was manic and I compulsive shop and I just like OD'd. I did way too much. Look at this. This is insane. Anyways, I'm getting myself ready here. So, more things. More of the things. All right, there's one more thing in here. Okay, cool. So I'm not gonna swatch everything, which is why I think doing these individual videos will be good, because in the videos, I will take all of these and like do full looks and swatch all of them for you guys. So we're gonna start with two cream gel liners. So at the time, the Orangey Glad palette by itself was sold out, and I'll go ahead and just show you guys this one. Swatch this, swatch. I'm just swatching a couple. I'm not even telling you the names. That's pretty, because I need to keep this moving, otherwise we'll be here for 27 years. So this, I did the bundle so I could get the palette. This is a cream gel bundle. I think they also had like a that's pretty, like lip bundle of some sort. This is the one I'm more excited about, but the other one was pretty. So these are the two gel liners, and like I said, when I do my individual video, I will go over these. So real talk, don't thumbs this down just because I'm not telling you every name of everything I'm swatching. That is not the point of this video. This is just like a drive-by. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different things to go through. I just watched a bag fall out of my kitchen. Just watched it fall. And now my cat Luna is going to check it out. So that was a couple of swatches from the Orangey Glad palette. Next, we're going to do Blue Moon. I'm not a huge ColourPop person, but like this first couple of swatches were nice. All right, I'll show you guys on this one. Oh, sugar. So I originally wanted this palette, the Orangey Glad and the Feeling Lucky, but I wanted these two the most. So we'll do this one next. It's pretty. And then we'll do this one. Definitely on the frostier, lighter side. I'm gonna go in twice. There you go. And I'm gonna color swatch my fingers. Ooh, I also kind of want to do this like sky blue one. Hit it with the pinky. We'll do it over here. That's pretty. All right, ColourPop, I have faith in you. I just tried some of their face products when they first came out with it. Their no filter concealer in their brushes, and they were just trash to me. I thought they were so bad. I have videos on both of them. I'm lazy. I'm not gonna link them. You can search my channel and find them. If I do link them, then they'll appear. All right, next is Feeling Lucky. I think it was the purple palette. One of them came kind of messed up. So that's a fun color. Let's do that one. Okay. It's like a brownish green. I got this one because I wanted the Gemini palette, the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. It's pretty. And I figured I could just get a couple of these. It's pretty. And then we'll do this white one. See how ashy it might be. Damn, that's white, sorry. That is not brown girl friendly. What the heck is that? ColourPop. No, sweetheart. Maybe it'll look better pressed on the eye with other greens. I don't know. Sugar, I don't know. That's not cute at all. She's not cute. All right, so next I'm gonna do the Aha Honey palette. I'm gonna do it on my other hand. These are all the ones. I know people are very interested in this kind of pressed glitter situation, so we're gonna go in with this one. Oops. Pretty light on me. You guys can see. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, I'm not super impressed. I think it'll work well with the greens. And then next I'll do this one. This one I've already, it's glitter, but it's like kind of a, I want to call it like a hydrating glitter, if that makes any sense. It doesn't feel like rough or anything, but in order to get it to like look nice, you got to pat it in. You can't really brush it like on your skin. So, and it's like chunky as hell. That I don't like, and a lot of it's still on my finger. So, color swatch that off. I also kind of want to try this color. Did I do this one? No, I want to try, we're gonna try this one. It's like a dull brown color. Yeah, these are like a super, super white base. All right, I'm not super happy with this palette. It's all right, but it's all yellow, so. Next, I have 3 more. I have Marmain Squeze and It's My Pleasure. The strawberry one came out after I put in my order, so. This one I kept going back and forth on, but the colors did eventually speak to me. This blue looks very pretty. Less punchy as that blue right here. It's still very pretty. Next, we're gonna go on with this copper one. Ooh, it's got a nice little something, something to it. That's gorgeous. That'll go well with the honey palette. I feel like this will complement some of the other palettes that I picked up. Now let's do this one. It's a little on the chalky white side, and it's got some iridescence to it. And then I'm gonna go in with top down, this brown color. I'm just color swatching my fingers so I can get the product off. Because this would be really, it's like the one of the deepest shades in here. It's like the deepest shade. Okay, I could make I could do a look with these. Okay, I kind of like this. I could do a look with these. Maybe I will do that. Comment and let me know if you want to see this particular color quad. To say color trio, but I can count. All right, next I have Main Squeze. Oops. Next I have Main Squeze. I'm gonna do this, and this looks like the strawberry palette to me, so I was just kind of like, all right, I don't feel like I missed anything, to be completely honest. That green color is like staining my finger. All right, so let's go in with this one. Oops. That's pretty. That's complementary to my skin tone. We'll go in with this one. That'll be nice to layer on top of a single shadow or layer it. We're gonna go in. I think I just did that one. Just kidding. Yeah, I did. I'm gonna go in with this one. Sorry if I'm not swatching the colors you want to see. I hate that when someone does a swatch video and they don't swatch the exact color that I want to see. They pick, you know, just random other ones. We're gonna go in with this one last. That's nice and creamy. Okay, this could also be a look like that. And we'll do this one. Yeah, that's a nice palette. All right, cool. Last one, the purple one. Okay, I'm gonna do it on this arm. And then I have some Super Shock shadows that I picked up. So this is the one where a couple of them, if you can see, came kind of, this one and this one. And this one had some struggles. So we're gonna swatch those. I just gotta be really careful with them. Okay, that's not showing up. It's pretty. It's kind of icy, but not super like 90s baby icy. I'm going with this one. There's a lot of shimmers in this palette. It's pretty. going with the one that was like super duper messed up. It's got some nice pigmentation. And then let's do, you're not supposed to blow on your palette. It's super unhygienic. But I'm not a makeup artist, so I care a little less. That's pretty. That would be really pretty all over the lid. That is the shade Pretty Cool. And then we'll do Kitten Fish. It's a weird name, this one. Right here. All right. That's a pretty palette. I just gotta be really careful with the palette just because some of them are, colors are not looking too good in terms of ability to not fall out of the pan. All right. Then I picked up the collaboration with someone that I actually don't, Becky. Who is this? Oh, Becky G. Sorry, it's like cursive on here. I can't read that. All right, anywho, I'm gonna do here. There's 4 colors. This is 19G5. No, ultra metallic. No, okay, I can't read. This is Oro. This is Rosa. This is Verano. These are just the Spanish names. And this is Cielo. This one. We're gonna start. Okay. We're gonna start with the blue one. And I figured these were just, oh, that's so creamy. You guys can see that. So we're gonna put that one here. Okay, not as pigmented. Super creamy though. A lot of it's staying. Pat it in. Yeah, if you pat it in, it's a little bit better. Finely milled glitter. I'm seeing shifts of purple in addition to the blue. It's pretty. I wanted it, so I bought it. It's kind of the sentiment I'm getting from myself right now. It's kind of like, all right. Let's do Rosa next. However, they have this embossed in here. It's like not that great. Don't know if it was worth the effort. It's pretty. All right, cool. I'm not like nonchalant blasé about these. I just don't want this to be a 30-minute video. So I'm just showing you guys a couple. This is Oro. Oro's not opening. My coffee is getting cold. This is a little bit drier than the other two. Very light. Let me pack it on. Like press it. Still pretty light. All right, these are kind of misleading. I can do, maybe I'll do like a really interesting look with all 4 of these. Comment down below if you want to see a look with these 4 shadows. I might have to bring in some other colors, but I can do a review of this collection separately. So this is the last shade, Verano. It's kind of like wet almost. Those are pretty. I could do a look with these 2 or a look with these 2 or a combination of all 4. So let me know what you guys are interested in. These are all of the swatches. Got it going on. So yeah, that is my less than 15-minute ColourPop video. Thank you for tuning on in. If you're new, hey, appreciate it. If you love ColourPop, let me know which ones of these you have or want to pick up. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thanks for sticking around during my hiatus. Appreciate that. But I think I like these palettes. I'm gonna leave them out right now just so they're staring at me and I use them. I do have a nice everyday look that I've been doing, which I can film for you guys. Does not involve these. It actually involves this palette, which no one ever talks about, especially people of color. It involves this palette, and I think my Sephora Pro palette. Can't remember. I got to remember this look that I like to do every day. But anyways, yeah, thanks for tuning on in. If you like my content, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. If you want help with just the She Makes Sense brand, we'll be doing all different kinds of videos on here. Still doing beauty stuff, but I'm also going to be doing other things. Like I signed up for Weight Watchers. I want to do coaching stuff. I'm going to be doing vlogs, all that razzle dazzle fun stuff. All right, I had to go edit these and stick them on the internet. I will talk to you guys later.